Richard from Northwest Houston has builder headaches.
Yeah, they're with this house that they just built. I feel real bad for Richard. He's indicated, I don't know if you can see what he's talking about. I don't think those orange arrows are put on by him to point at what he's trying to tell you. Those are not on the house. I just want the HOA to know he's not putting orange.
Okay, that's fine.
Richard.
Sounds like window problems.
Sorry, Richard, I couldn't resist.
HOA,
All right.
yes.
Anyway, so Richard writes, we're coming up on our 1-year anniversary of the warranty. I guess he's a 1-year warranty with the builder. And
he's standard.
Yeah, he spotted a water leak in that window that I showed you. And it seems that the siding and the materials used under it and around the window were either not installed or installed correctly, and the builder seems unwilling to come and reinstall it correctly. So Richard wants to know, what can he do?
I guess hire someone else to do it if you want it to get fixed. You got to fix it.
So, I mean, but Richard's going to come back and say, wait a minute, I've got a warranty.
I understand that, but what do? Go get a lawyer? It's really... It's very frustrating because in the state of Texas, homeowners don't have a lot of rights. And builders can walk away and get away with anything because there's no licensing, there's no real control over anything. So I've been talking about this for 32 years since I've been here, and it hasn't changed a bit, and nobody seems to care. It's always going to be the buyer beware with a builder, and it's a shame that these things happen. I can look at that right there and tell you you're going to have leaks just the way it was all put together. There's no tape. There's no sealant. There's nothing around that.
He sent me a recording with his inspector, and the builders much as said that they don't use the tape.
Well, then they don't use the tape, and you should. Getting another builder probably would have been a better idea. But the bottom line is this: what do you do now? Going back and complaining now is not going to help anybody fix this.
You got to be about the solution.
You're probably going to have to pay someone to fix it. Hopefully, it's only one window. So you're going to have to bite the bullet and do it. If you want to try to make him fix it, fine. I'm just not sure what kind of thing you can do to make somebody do something they don't want to do.
You know what a Pyrrhic victory is?
No.
Everybody loses.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's what he'd have here. He'd have one of those things where he goes in.
Oh, if you get an attorney and stuff, you're not going to get anything.
The only winner is going to be the attorney.
Yeah, and they're best of friends, and the insurance companies are going to pay out everybody. You're going to get nothing to get it fixed. You're still going to have to pay to get it fixed.
Don't get me started on insurance companies and attorneys. So,
okay.
But anyway,
I've been in those cases before as a builder, so I understand.
So it's a sad story, especially given that Richard's a vet. I'm sorry that happened to you, buddy.
Well, and you know what? That's true. Vets are important, and this is kind of Veterans Week. We've had this past week. But you know what? It shouldn't happen to anybody, whether you're elderly, whether you're young, whether you're rich, whether you're poor. It should be a good, consistent building practice for everybody. So I hate to say, hey, I'm a vet. I deserve more than you. Everybody deserves a good quality house. And I'm a professional in the industry, and that's just my feeling. But thank you for being a vet. My dad is too.
Yeah, we'll never forget.
That's
All right,
right.
You got a question? We'll help you out just like that, vet or not. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. We'll answer it like these videos over here.